Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a little bit different video. So I did post this a couple days ago, actually yesterday in the morning. So have a look at this. Which company will join S&P 500 first? Why we are doing it? Well, leading up to inclusion, stocks usually rally and there's always somebody knows ahead of time, but we can be prepared for that too. So my goal is just to see what you guys vote. So far from 105 people, 47% says PLTR, 48% says Coinbase. I already know which stock is gonna get added, but I'll tell you, but I want your opinion as well. You can vote, but Robinhood lastly, and you guys can see what you guys voted so far. You can also put in the comment section of this video other stocks that you think will be included in S&P 500 this year 2024, which are the candidates to get kicked out. That's very important too. And which are the candidates, because every year there are approximately on average 10-20 companies get kicked out, gets added another 9 years on average. That's how much stocks last. But statistically, that's the statistics. Like 10, 15, up to 20 companies can get kicked out of S&P 500 every year. This is the inclusions, exclusions, latest ones, okay? And this one doesn't have SMCI and Decker Outdoor, where we have Zion Bank getting kicked out and Whirlpool is getting kicked out of S&P 500, and those two coming in. These were the last additions. Airbnb, I did post it in 2021. A lot of people said it won't get added, but I was not sure when. Lincoln got kicked out. Noel get kicked out. Advanced Afterparts, you guys know why it got kicked out. And Kiwi healthcare stock got added. You get the point, okay? So now moving on to the charts of the stocks. But before we do that, what are the requirements to get added to S&P 500? To be eligible for S&P 500 index inclusion, company should be US company. Okay, check. All of them are US company. Have a market capitalization of at least 8.2 billion. I already posted the capitalization for all. They're all greater than that. Be highly liquid. They're all pretty liquid, but DoorDash, not sure about it, but liquid. They're all decently liquid. Have public float of at least 50% of its shares outstanding. I think all fall into that. Most recent quarter's earnings and the sum of its trailing for 4 consecutive quarter EPS greater. So basically 4 consecutive earnings of a positive earnings EPS they should post. I will go back to show you guys. Okay, then let me show you TSLA and then we'll jump into all these stocks. It will be quick, don't worry about that. So last time when I was watching TSLA, 2019, positive earnings, 2020, positive, stock split, and then in November, October, announcement, stock gets to S&P 500 and then rallies pretty big. So right here, right now, let's jump from DoorDash, okay? Market capitalization of the stock, let me just go here, 53 billion, stock US based, recent IPO. Does it have 4 consecutive positive earnings so far? No, okay? We can scratch that, and that's why a lot of you did not vote for this. Okay, well done on that one. Robinhood, same thing, right? First positive earning right here came out. We shall see. They can definitely turn into positive EPS in the coming months, but we will see coming quarters. Let's take a look at Coinbase. Well, I made a video saying that this stock can dump 40%. EPS last quarter looks like they reported positive, but not 4 consecutive quarters of positive EPS. Now, lastly, get back to PLTR, same thing. Newly added IPO, new IPO. You can see EPS, positive EPS, Do we have a check mark? Yes, we do. Highly liquid? Yes, we do. Market capitalization, how much is it? 57 billion. Check mark. So we shall see. But I'll be watching in 2024, especially the resistance level, because market will always know if it starts drifting for no reason. Fundamental reason is main reason, and S&P inclusion does not add any value to the companies. Intrinsically, nothing is going to get added to the business, right? But it's just liquidity, and usually stocks can go up. Statistically, I wanted to dig on that one. Go take a look at all the inclusions, exclusions, but leading up to, there's more. I know that statistically leading up to the inclusion, stocks run a lot versus they after the inclusion. So SMCI, I am sure leading to this inclusion, many people knew that. Okay, and then Deckers Outdoor. Well, I am sure people knew why the heck this stock would be running up so much. I don't know, but there are people always know. There, of course, there's a committee who's gonna vote for it, who they decide to kick it out, all that stuff. But in the comments, I want to know more companies that you think possibly can get into S&P 500, and possibly stock may not be running crazy right now, but leading into that inclusion, it can possibly run. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not saying to buy any of these companies, purely for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.